Do you want to earn money while you sleep? Imagine waking up and seeing money in your account without having to work that day. It may seem too good to be true, but with the right passive income strategies, it's very much achievable. In today's video, we'll explore 5 passive income ideas that are proven to work in the long term. These strategies are not only effective, but also realistic and easy for anyone to start, regardless of where you are in your financial journey. Let's get started. 1. High-yield savings accounts, HYSA. The first method that comes to mind for earning passive income is through high-yield savings accounts, HYSA. Unlike regular savings accounts that offer minimal interest, HYSAs offer much higher interest rates, often 4% or more, depending on the account. This may not sound like much, but the interest compounds over time, making it an excellent way to grow wealth with minimal effort. For example, if you have $10,000 sitting in your HYSA, you could be earning an additional $400 annually, completely passively. That's free money for doing absolutely nothing. You don't have to risk your hard-earned savings by investing in volatile stocks or bonds. Your money stays safe, liquid, and insured by the FDIC, which guarantees up to $250,000 in protection. While HYSA rates can fluctuate depending on the economy and the Federal Reserve's interest rate decisions, they are one of the safest options for growing your wealth. Safety and liquidity make it a perfect place to store your emergency fund or extra cash, knowing it's working for you. While the returns may not be huge, it's a fantastic foundation for building wealth over time. The best part? You can open an HYSA in minutes through banks like Ally, Marcus, and SoFi, and there's no need for a minimum balance or hidden fees. This is one of the most secure, passive income strategies available for anyone looking to make their money grow with very little effort or risk. 2. Print-on-demand pod. Next, let's explore print-on-demand pod. This method might seem unconventional, but has proven to be a fantastic source of passive income for many. Pod allows anyone to create designs and sell them on a variety of products, from t-shirts and mugs to sweaters and phone cases, without holding any inventory. Once you upload your design to a pod platform like Printify, you can set up an online store where customers can browse and buy products with your designs. When someone makes a purchase, the pod company takes care of printing, packing, and shipping the product directly to the customer. You don't need to worry about any logistics or inventory management. The beauty of this passive income idea is that it requires very little ongoing effort after the initial setup. You create the designs once, set up the shop, and then just collect the profits. Because Pod is integrated with major e-commerce platforms like Etsy, Shopify, eBay, and Amazon, it's possible to reach a broad audience with minimal marketing. Although it may take time to build a following, the key is to create designs that cater to niche markets. The more specific and targeted your designs are, the better they will resonate with potential buyers. You don't need to be an expert designer. Many online tools and platforms offer templates and customization options, making it accessible for beginners. Once your pod store is set up, sales can continue to roll in passively, with minimal active involvement. 3. Peer-to-peer lending, P2P. Another excellent passive income idea is peer-to-peer lending, P2P. P2P lending platforms connect individuals who are looking to borrow money with investors willing to lend it. The beauty of P2P lending is that it allows you to act as a lender, earning interest on the money you invest, much like a bank would. Through platforms like Lending Club, Prosper, or Funding Circle, you can lend money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for fixed or variable interest rates. This creates an opportunity for passive income, as you collect payments on the loan over time, without needing to manage the borrowers yourself. While there is a risk that the borrower may default on a loan, P2P lending platforms generally offer tools to mitigate this by assessing the creditworthiness of borrowers. Some platforms even allow you to diversify your investments by spreading your capital across multiple loans, further reducing risk. Additionally, you can choose loans that match your risk tolerance, from low-risk borrowers to those with higher returns and more risk. What's great about P2P lending is that you can start small with as little as $25 per loan. The potential returns can vary, but depending on the platform, interest rates could range from 5% to 15% or more. In terms of passive income, once you invest your funds, the only effort required is tracking your loans and receiving payments. The interest you earn on your loans provides a steady stream of passive income, which can grow over time if you reinvest the payments into new loans. P2P lending offers a unique alternative to traditional investment methods, and it's one that can be easily scaled up if you're looking for a more hands-off way to generate passive income. 4. Dividend-paying stocks. If you're looking for consistent and growing income, dividend-paying stocks are an excellent way to build passive income. Many well-established companies, such as Coca-Cola and Johnson & Johnson, pay dividends to their shareholders, providing a reliable source of cash flow. When investing in dividend-paying stocks, you're essentially getting paid just for holding shares of a company. These companies distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders regularly. And with dividend reinvestment plans (DRIPs), it's possible to automatically reinvest the dividends into more shares, allowing your investment to compound over time. The power of compounding is one of the most important concepts in building wealth. By reinvesting your dividends, the number of shares you own increases, which in turn increases the dividends you receive. Over time, this can lead to exponential growth, even with minimal effort on your part. Dividend stocks are known for their stability, and many of them have increased their dividend payouts for decades, making them an attractive choice for long-term investors. While stock prices can fluctuate, dividend-paying stocks tend to be more stable than growth stocks, especially when investing in blue-chip companies. These companies often have a long history of profitability and reliability, making them an excellent choice for anyone looking to build passive income with low risk. With dividends being paid out quarterly, you'll have a regular flow of passive income with the potential for capital appreciation as well. 5. Content creation and affiliate marketing. The final passive income idea we'll explore is content creation combined with affiliate marketing. Many people think content creation is only for influencers or YouTubers with millions of followers, but that's far from true. Anyone can get started with content creation and affiliate marketing, whether through blogging, YouTube, or social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok. The idea behind affiliate marketing is simple. You promote products or services through affiliate links. When someone makes a purchase using your link, you earn a commission. This income is passive, meaning that once your content is created and your affiliate links are in place, you continue earning commissions each time someone makes a purchase. The best part of affiliate marketing is that content can keep earning money long after it's posted. For instance, a blog post or video might get views for months or even years, continuously earning money from affiliate links. With platforms like Amazon, ShareASale, and ClickBank, it's easy to get started with affiliate marketing, and there are thousands of products to choose from. Whether the product you love, a service you use, or a tool that improves your life, promoting products that you genuinely believe in can build a trustworthy audience over time. And as your audience grows, so does your potential to earn passive income. The key to success in affiliate marketing is consistency and creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience. If you enjoy, share your thoughts, ideas, or experiences, affiliate marketing is an ideal passive income strategy for you. Now that you've discovered 5 amazing passive income ideas that actually work, it's time to take action and start building a stable financial future. Whether you're investing in high-yield savings accounts, exploring the world of print-on-demand, or diving into the growing potential of peer-to-peer lending, these methods can help you make money even when you're not actively working. Remember, creating passive income isn't about getting rich overnight, but about setting up systems that work for you and grow over time. The best part? These options don't require a massive amount of capital or expertise to get started, making them accessible to almost everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more tips on how to grow your wealth passively. Let us know in the comments which passive income strategy excites you the most, and feel free to share your experiences or questions. Thanks for watching. I shall see you in the next video.